The orange-bellied parrots are close to extinction. Are we doing enough to conserve them? The Australian orange-bellied parrot. The Australian orange-bellied parrot is critically endangered with fewer than 50 birds left in the wild, and regarded as one of Australia's most endangered species. These parrots migrate annually across Bass Strait, leaving their breeding site in Tasmania to southeastern coast, where they rely on salt marsh vegetation. Their population is decreasing because both their mainland and habitat in Tasmania are being fragmented and degraded. Garrett says, if we continuously decide to abandon this most critically endangered of Australian parrots, we are deliberately deciding to pass on a diminished world to our children. Another cause of their decreasing population is the outbreak of beak and feather disease, which is potentially fatal and is reducing their population. 26 of wild orange-bellied parrot nestlings have been tested, and of these, 19 tested positive to the PBFD virus. One wild adult bird has also tested positive to PBFD, according to BirdLife Australia research. Why should we care? These birds are affected due to alternation and destruction of salt marsh habitat for both industrial and urban development. Another primary cause is vegetation clearance for agricultural purposes, fire, drought to mainland, and weed invasion in Tasmania. Predators also affect their population, such as cats and foxes. There is also a competition for nesting spots. The other factor is their number of breeding range have reduced dramatically and only exist in Maleldusha.
10 new wild caught founders from the wild. 9 out of 10 of them participated in breeding this year, and for a wild caught bird, that's a pretty significant achievement for us here at Hillsville Sanctuary. They actually produced so many chicks at one stage that we had to hand raise some of them because the females had some trouble rearing them on their own. The best way that you can help the orange-bellied parrot is to get out into the field and join in the Birds Australia mainland winter census looking for orange-bellied parrots that they run every May, July and September. It's important to figure out where orange-bellied parrots are on the mainland because then we've got a better chance of being able to preserve and protect those areas.
The Zoos Victoria have been working hard to prevent extinction of this species by maintaining sustainable insurance populations to release them to the wild. To achieve this, it is important to increase genetic diversity from the birds held captive by adding new birds from the wild. These birds have been looked after at Hillsville Sanctuary and Melbourne Zoo. We focus greatly on research for the reintroduction process. The research works well with the support of the community to help conserve the orange-bellied parrot and its habitat. There has been a positive outcome by releasing 250 captive bred birds since 1993. Refined husbandry techniques, enhanced breeding facilities, and improvement of genetic health of the population. Thank you.